At Foyob, we make the process of creating a custom app for your dealership simple and tailored to your needs. The process starts with a conversation between Foyob and you to fully understand your brand, unique needs, preferences, and goals for your app. This is where we get a clear picture of what you want to achieve, whether it's better customer engagement, streamlined services, showcasing car inventory, or all of them. Then, our design team gets to work, either whipping up a fresh new design or grabbing a template from our demo apps. Here are a few demo apps that you can download today to get a glimpse of what your app could look like. Just pause the screen to scan the QR code using your camera. The focus is on ensuring the app design aligns with your vision and brand identity. Once the design is ready, we present it to you for feedback. We make any necessary revisions to ensure the design is exactly to your liking. This is a collaborative process to refine the app before moving forward. After you give the green light, our software engineers get to work building your app. They bring your app to life by building the features and functionalities based on your approved design. After development is complete, we provide a demo of the app for you to test in your phone without publishing it for everyone to use. This way, you get the full experience before you let your customers in on this amazing experience. Once the final changes are made and the app is approved by you, we handle the publishing process by submitting the app to both the App Store in iOS and Google Play and Android. This ensures that the app is thoroughly tested again by Apple and Google before it is available for download by your customers. You don't have to worry at all about monthly subscription fees until your app is fully operational and available to your customers. With Foyob, we handle everything from design to launch, guiding you every step of the way, so you won't even have to lift a finger. Just sit back and watch your custom app come to life so you can focus on what truly matters.